Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools, the hub of innovation in West Chennai, had its humble beginnings 25 years ago at Ambattur. Started by two visionaries who began their careers as an engineer and a primary teacher, Sri Venkateshwara Group is armed with a vision to provide quality education to grassroots communities. Correspondent Sri Aragarsamy Kannan and founder principal Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan with the creative director CEO Mrs. Danya Bharati have greater aspirations for our children of Sri Venkateshwara Group and strive hard to equip them with the essential 21st century skills. The board members of the group, Dr. Kavya Kannamma, the oncologist at US, Mr. Deepak Kumar, a US-based nanotechnologist, reaching out to the student community here to strengthen their techno perspectives, and Mr. Trikant Chalasani with a strong industry and bureaucracy connect, the scholarly board that alters the ed perspective of our young minds to pursue progressive learning. Hosting renowned guests at SVGS, His Excellency the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, Sri Rosaya, Sri Irayanbu IAS, IPS Officer Mr. Shailendra Babu, Mr. Nandakumar IRS, Educationist Mr. Jayaprakash Gandhi, NCRT Secretary Sri Harsh Kumarji, AIM Operations Director Dr. Unnat Pandit, Directors of NIOT, IGCAR and CLRI, senior scientists and more inspiring personalities who have been enthralled with our creative young minds.
Dear friends and my dear Indians, my heartfelt wishes for the 75th Independence Day celebration. Probably here there is hardly anyone who woke up in the midnight of 15th August 1947 to hear India's tirades with destiny. We are born in an independent country and hence probably understand very little about the insult of being governed by a foreign power. It is our sole responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty, progress together for the growth and the development of our country, keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind. We should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Vande Mataram. We cordially and proudly welcome our esteemed chief guest, Shri Dinakaran, DIGP CRPF Avadi, who has consented to preside over today's function. We also proudly welcome our honorable correspondent, Shri Alagar Swami Kannan, our beloved founder principal, Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan, our mesmerizing creative head, our CEO, Srimati Danya Bharati, and our dynamic principal, Srimati Aileen Theophilus from Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya, and vibrant principal from Sri Venkateshwara Public School, Srimati Renuka, and our vigilant vice principal from Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya, Srimati Preeta Abraham, and to all the academic heads and to the enthusiastic teachers and my beloved students.
பாரதத்தாயின் அன்னை அனைத்து மொழிகளுக்கும் முன்னை அவளின் அற்புதமான சொற்களால் ஆட்கொண்டாள் என்னை. அவளே நம் தமிழ் அன்னை. நிகழ்வின் தொடக்கமாக தமிழ்தாய் வாழ்த்து பாடலை இசைக்க ஸ்ரீ வெங்கடேஸ்வரா வித்யாலயா பேருயர் பள்ளியின் இசை குயில்களை அழைக்கின்றேன்.
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கனமும் அது சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே
Leadership directs and motivates others towards clear objectives. Let us start it from our leader who leads the league. To welcome the gathering, may we request our vibrant and vigilant Vice Principal, Srimati Preeta Abraham, to deliver the welcome address.
A very happy morning to the vibrant gathering. Carried with care, coated with pride, flying in glory, with moments of freedom in shades of joy. Salute to the tricolor, all due honor. It's a privilege for having been vested with the opportunity of welcoming this August gathering. Today, as we gather here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India, we reminisce the recent past, and I take this opportunity to thank God for bringing us here with safe and secure hands. The spirit of uniform service is infectious and demands a high order of respect. A suitable presiding guest for this momentous occasion, Mr. Vinakaran, the Deputy Inspector General of Police, CRPF, whose dominating presence infuses the patriotic spirit in all of us. Hearty welcome, sir, on behalf of the gathering. A wholehearted welcome to our correspondent, Sir Sri Alagaswamy Kannan, and our beloved founder principal ma'am, Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan, who have built a strong foundation of social consciousness in every child of ours. Though not here in person, she is virtually omnipresent in every glorious moment of this institution. Our creative, visionary and director, CEO ma'am, Mrs. Dania Bharati. A hearty welcome to you, ma'am. A true leader leads not from the front. She is always behind her back. The likes of our principal ma'am, Mrs. Eileen S. Theophilus, who has been guiding and supporting all of us from behind to lead in our own unique ways. Welcome, ma'am. A warm welcome to the vibrant principal, Mrs. Renuka, of our sister institution, Sri Venkateshwara Public School, Pulal. We go hand in hand in making our children etch their own success stories. Our partners, stakeholders, our support, none other than the parent community. A warm, hearty welcome with a thanking smile for entrusting your awards with us during these trying times. This welcome note raises the curtains on this grand celebration of the 75th Independence Day and the swearing-in ceremony of the Student Senate of Sri Venkateshwara Senior Secondary School, Ayapakam, and Sri Venkateshwara Public School, Pulal. With unity and integrity, we, the Venkatites, shall march on to glory in the silver jubilee years of Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools. Jai Hind.
To celebrate the sacrifices of our great leaders and to spread peace and prosperity everywhere in India, let us call our leader, a great, noteworthy and eminent leader of Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools, a honorable correspondent, Sri Alagaswamy Kannan, to unfurl the national flag, which will be followed by the national anthem and flag song.
இறையாண்மையை காக்க உறுதிமொழி எடுக்க வருமாறு அன்பு மாணவர் மிதேஷ் அவர்களை அழைக்கின்றேன்.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
பிணியின்மை, செல்வம், ஏமம், விளைவின்பம், அணி என்ப நாட்டிற்கு இவ்வைந்து என்னும் வள்ளுவரின் குரலுக்கேற்ப நாட்டின் நலன்களை தன் நாட்டியத்தால் விளக்க வருகிறார்கள் நம் ஸ்ரீ வெங்கடேஸ்வரா வித்யாலயா பேருயர் பள்ளியின் நாட்டிய மயில்கள்.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो,
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू, मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू। वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू।
The freedom struggle would not have been successful without the presence of a strong leadership. We are under a perfect leader, the perfect comrade who gives us a constant confidence, courage, and motivation to the entire team. Here is our founder principal ma'am, Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan, to give us the Independence Day message.
Happy morning, one and all. Fellow Indians, be proud that we are the only country that has been the cradle of civilizations. Standing here on the 75th Independence Day, I reminisce the glorious past of the country, the rich tradition and values that is the imbibed in the history of everyone. There may be scars left, but eventually we shall overcoming them. We have emerged safe and secure to stand before this tricolor and salute it with all due honor. It is the time that the nature has been given us to evolve self-healing and rejuvenation in both the spirit and body in the minds of every Indian to make the country lead the world. Technology is the call of today. I declare that our independent thinkers are a unique clan of innovative upskillers waiting to hold the global reins. Today is a momentous occasion for the young elected leaders of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School and Sri Venkateshwara Public School, Pulal. As you eagerly wait to the ceremoniously sworn in, we have ensured that today is an exceptional episode in our logbook, the diary. Aligning with the 75th Independence Day of India, today is proof that the aspiring and inspiring leaders are in the making, waiting to soar highly with wings of freedom and roots of responsibility. Dear leaders, strive hard to impact, influence, and inspire others. Have the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make the tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of the hour. You become a leader by the quality of your achievements and the dignity of your intent. This country has given great leaders from whom the world has extracted greatness. Set out on the pathways that these divine souls have paved for you. As you march ahead with your finest spirit of unity and integrity, start defining reality. My heart blessings on you as I sign off with these wonderful words of blessings. With confidence, you have won before you have started. Jai Hind.
Join us together to view at the Senate election promo. Look at the various details on who were the nominees, how were the leaders elected, and finally how we celebrate the occasion.
Creating young leaders is a mission that Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School is armed with to create socially responsible individuals. The annually elected Student Senate is proof of the democratic ethos that the institution imbibes in its learners at a young age. The consecutive second year of pandemic lockdown did not deter our young voters from exercising their democratic duty. It was executed virtually and the school senate was elected democratically. A curtain raiser for SVV's school election 2021-22. The election nominations were notified on the 15th of July 2021. The last date was declared as 19th July 2021. The final list of election candidates were announced on the 20th of July. Canvassing began with full throttle on the 21st, 22nd and the 23rd of July, with the nominees campaigning with their manifesto. Hectic campaigning came to a close on the 23rd of July. With the election date set on the 26th of July, students of grade 8 to grade 12 were offered the mandate to elect their leaders. The exciting election results were out post-counting on the 28th of July. The final list was framed and the leaders elected. Here they are, Let's join them for an exciting investiture ceremony of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School and Sri Venkateshwara Public School.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, today you will discover the beauty of this amazing day as the event gradually begins to blossom. As this day marks the investiture ceremony, the most prestigious moment in taking position as office bearers.
Investiture ceremony is a solemn occasion when all the young students are prepared to don the mantle of leadership and discharge the responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school.
Leaders, our world is hungry for them. From kids who are leading their siblings and classmates to high-level executives and political figures, we need someone to step up and take on responsibility. So here is our leader, our school pupil leader, ready to solemnly promise to fulfill all the responsibilities as a leader by answering all the questions posed by our principal ma'am.
Do you regard the values laid in the seeds of the school's learning, ground with utmost earnestness, and make the school's space a right place to grow?
I vow to commit myself and devote my salutary self to the air and aura of learning and truly make the school a place of birth for my fellow beings and friends.
With the competence of academic mind and as a holder of delegated authority as the principal of the school, I assign the positions of school prefect and assistant school prefect of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School upon you to hold and behold.
Now a school pupil leader will receive his badge from our honorable chief guest, Sri M. Dinakaran, Deputy Inspector, CRPF, followed by the school pupil leader's oath.
I, Kannan Suresh, the valiant Venkatine, hereby pledge to lead my fellow students with discipline and virtues that would uphold the honor of this noble institution, Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School. The tradition and ethos of this established foundation shall always be endorsed in all the endeavors that I venture into. I solemnly vow to discharge my duties, the school people leader, without any prejudice and preferences, on par with unity and integrity that this institution has vested on us.
Leaders are not born, they are made. If your actions inspire others to do more, to learn more, to dream more, and to become more, you are a leader. So here is our school pupil leader, Kannan Suresh, ready with his 11 principles to follow and make the other leaders as well to follow his footsteps by making a promise and by working together as a team. So over to our school pupil leader.
I, Kannan Suresh, head boy, hereby pledge to upkeep the 11 principles of leadership.
Know myself and seek constant self-improvement. Be technically and tactically proficient.
Develop responsibility among my subordinates.
Make fair and timely decisions.
Set a perfect example in initiatives.
Keep the two-way communication flow intact.
Seek responsibility and take responsibility for my actions.
Ensure implementation and completion of tasks through effective monitoring.
Teamwork intertwined with constructive productivity.
Deploying analytical skills for creative solutions.
Engaging upskilling and reskilling strategies for wholesome development.
I shall hereby abide with the confines of this office and strive for harmony in the campus.
In the period when there is no leadership, society stands still. Progress occurs when courageous and skillful leader sees the opportunity to change things for better. Here we have a honest and hard-working assistant school pupil leader, Miss Sanjana, to receive her badge from the most adorable chief guest, Sri M. Dinakaran, Deputy Inspector, CRPF, followed by her oath.
I, Sanjana K, the elected Assistant School Pupil Leader of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, hereby pledge to work with determination and perseverance for our school and students' development. I shall always inspire my fellow mates to be oriented, respectful, reliable, and obedient in every aspect of life. I shall lead with compassion, with a focus on team building that fosters innovative solutions with social perspectives.
The thrill, the excitement, and the anticipation of the audience. A true test of physical fitness and presence of mind is required for a sports person. So here is our sports head boy Mitesh receiving his badge from our correspondent Sri Alvarsamy Kannan, followed by the sports head boy's oath.
I, K. Mitesh, the rector sports head boy of Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, hereby pledge to uphold the sporting discipline in every venture of the student community. Team efforts shall be integrated in all the activities, on and off the ground, and the overall development of students in a strong community framework shall be the exact goal of the institution.
It takes a great deal of commitment and dedication in pursuing the field of sports. Here we have our eminent sports head girl, Ms. Niveta Tiwari, who had won the maximum number of votes in the Senate election 2021 to 2022. She receives the badge from our beloved founder principal ma'am, Srimati Dr. Uma Kannan, followed by her oath.
I, Niveta Tiwari, the elected sports head girl of Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, shall strive for presentation and perfection in all the students' endeavours. Working as a team, we students shall focus on procuring laurels to our institution and at the same time strive for totality in our accomplishment.
We are invested in preparing to thrive in a world of their future. To that end, we must encourage them to be the kind of leaders that this world needs. So here is our cultural head boy, Preetham, receiving his badge from our principal ma'am, Mrs. Eileen Theophilus, Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya.
I, the elected cultural head boy of Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, shall work on skill building in each and every individual in the campus. We shall convert every challenge into an opportunity and work on our strengths that would help us face real-life encounters with assurance and accountability.
A good leader should be a good listener and a good communicator. Here we have Chitra as our cultural head girl to receive her badge from our dynamic principal, Srimati Eileen Theophilus. Chitra is a good listener and a good communicator. Let us hear it from her.
Chitra, the elected cultural head girl of Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, shall be inquisitively explorative in academics and beyond. Shared dialogues, observation and interpretation, and expressive outputs shall be fostered in an avenue of artistic intellect that would be our strong domain.
We should build our leadership qualities right from a very young age so that we can prove ourselves as efficient leaders as we grow up. So here is our junior head boy, Vignesh Bala, receiving his badge from our beloved founder principal ma'am, Srimati Dr. Uma Kannan, Sri Venkateswara Group of Schools, followed by the junior head boy's oath.
I, Vignesh Bala, the elected junior head boy of Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, shall respect my school and my fellow classmates in all possible ways. I will support my juniors so that they soar higher in academic and extracurricular activities. I shall constantly challenge myself to achieve a high standard of performance.
As we grow up, our focus should be goal-oriented and willing to serve others. In order to fulfill these responsibilities, here we have Vinita Kumari to receive a badge from our beloved founder principal ma'am, Srimati Dr. Uma Kannan, Sri Venkateswara Group of School, followed by her oath.
I, Vinita Kumari, the elected junior head girl of Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, shall give justice to this badge by accomplishing all my duties with utmost sincerity and determination. We shall together do and prove, work together and make our dreams real. May our growth be realistic and our contribution be significant to the greater good of the society.
A man always does something for two reasons, a good reason and a true reason. And our RSP leaders take great care in setting things right for a true and a good reason. So here is our RSP head boy, Revant Kanna, receiving his badge from the ever-busy rescue ranger, Mr. Sri Ayyappan, Duty Planning Officer, Tamil Nadu Police, Traffic Warden Organization.
Achievement is largely the product of steadily raising one's level of aspiration and expectation. Recently, expectations are more that female leader could also achieve great goals. Here we have Tanmay as our RSP head girl to receive her badge from the ever-busy rescue ranger, Mr. Sri Ayyappan, Duty Planning Officer, Tamil Nadu Police, Traffic Warden Organization.
Efficient goal setting must have a time frame and it must be specific. Excellence can only be attained when one tries for perfection. Well begun is half done, and our day begins with the morning assembly. So here is our assembly head boy, Shiva Shankar, receiving his badge from our headmistress, Mrs. Susan Philip, Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School.
A school assembly is a gathering of all or a part of school for a purpose such as special program or communicating information basis. A true learning about listening and speaking happens in the assembly. Here is our assembly head girl, Monisha M, to receive her badge from our headmistress, Srimati Susan Philip, Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School.
A chief scout is a head scout of an organization, such as a military colonial administration or expedition, or a talent scout in entertaining, performing, or creative arts, particularly sport. So here is our scout head boy, Sai Karthik, receiving his badge from the most respectable leader, F3 ACT for Scout, Training Commissioner for Ambattur District.
The purpose of Girl Guide is to give girls and young women dynamic, flexible, and value-based training on life skill, leadership, and citizenship. The Girl Guide of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya is K. Shammuga Shivani. She receives the badge from the most energetic and enthusiastic leader, Srimati G. Jayanti, Pre-ALT Guide Organizing Commissioner for Ambattur District.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. We must keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. So here is our cleanliness head boy, Gautam, receiving his badge from the most experienced and efficient academic coordinator of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya in senior compartment, Sri Alvar Manoharan Sir.
Practice makes a man perfect. It's not said for woman because she's already been made perfect in keeping the entire atmosphere clean in and out. Let's have our cleanliness head girl, Nancy Pravina, to receive her badge from the most experienced and efficient academic coordinator of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary Compartment, Sri Alvar Manoharan Sir. Take responsibilities for every area of your life to be remembered and to remember others. Last but not the least, here is Avantika, our junior assembly head girl, receiving the badge from our dynamic principal, Srimati Ailam Theophilus, from Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School.
Next in line is Ayush Kumar, our junior sports head boy, receiving his badge from our academic coordinator of junior compartment, Mrs. Rekha, Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, and ready to take position as an office bearer in this prestigious moment.
In order to live a holy and healthy life, one should be always fit and capable to excel in the field of sports. Let's look at our junior sports head girl, J. Darshana, receiving the badge from our academic coordinator of junior compartment, Srimati Rekha, from Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School.
Our life becomes beautiful when we learn to sing, dance, sculpt, draw, and so on. It is a part of our cultural heritage. We must carry on this culture to our upcoming generation. So here is our junior cultural head boy, Mohiddin Ijaz, receiving his badge from our academic coordinator from pre-primary compartment, Srimati Jayashree Kannan, from Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya.
Change can be opportunity for people to contribute, learn and grow. Let the junior learn to contribute by learning while they are growing. Here is Tabitha, our junior cultural head girl, to receive her badge from the academic coordinator of KJ department, Srimati Harini, from Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School.
Now may we have a look at our class leaders. by various compartments from kindergarten to senior secondary compartment with a brief description about them from our respective academic heads.
I, Mrs. Haruni, the academic coordinator of KG compartment, proud to announce my level compartment leaders for the academic year 2020-21. Jayavithan KK, lower kindergarten, A section, class prefect. Latika Ye, lower kindergarten, A section, assistant class prefect. Johan GB, lower kindergarten, B section, class prefect. Teja Sri U, lower kindergarten, B section, assistant class prefect. Selina Grace D, upper kindergarten, A section, class prefect. Nirush Rahul KJ, upper kindergarten, A section, assistant class prefect. Aradhana K, upper kindergarten, B section, class prefect. Jeshwin M, upper kindergarten, B section, assistant class prefect. Sudip Sai PA, upper kindergarten, C section, class prefect. Dia M, upper kindergarten, C section, assistant class prefect.
I, Jayashree Kannan, academic coordinator of pre-primary, proud to announce my level class leaders for the academic year 2020-21. Advik of grade 1A as a class prefect. Gauri Lakshana of grade 1A as an assistant class prefect. Vasudevan of grade 1B as a class prefect. Avignya Shakti of grade 1B as an assistant class prefect. Bhairav of grade 1C as a class prefect. Prajna of grade 1C as an assistant class prefect. Ritin of grade 1D as class prefect. Helen Olivia of grade 1D as assistant class prefect. Arshit of grade 2A as class prefect. Sandria Mariam of grade 2A as assistant class prefect. Chatur of grade 2B as class prefect. Shakti of grade 2B as assistant class prefect. Adavan of grade 2C as class prefect. Siona of grade 2C as assistant class prefect. Mithul Kritik of grade 2D as class prefect. Sri Pranavika of grade 2D as assistant class prefect.
I, Rekha David, academic coordinator of primary compartment, proud to announce my level leaders for the academic year 2020-21.
For grade 3A, Surya B as a class prefect, Dashmi K as assistant prefect. For grade 3B, Daksh H as a class prefect, Tanisha T as assistant prefect. For grade 3C, Vimshaya B as a class prefect, Pranav M as assistant prefect. For grade 3D, Darren D Donald as a class prefect, Ashana Raghav as assistant prefect. For grade 4A, Deepshani RV as a class prefect, Svethan MS as an assistant prefect. For grade 4B, Bhavyashri P as a class prefect, Sajita Kumar S as assistant prefect. For grade 4C, Silent Cinderella A as a class prefect, Akash B as an assistant prefect. For grade 4B, Karthik B as a class prefect, Vedashri DJ as an assistant prefect. For grade 5A, Akil S as a class prefect, Krishnanjana KS as an assistant prefect. For grade 5B, Divija Srinivasan as a class prefect, Prem Kumar as an assistant prefect. For grade 5C, Sujita V as a class prefect and Kritik PP as an assistant prefect.
I, Mrs. Preeta Abraham, Vice Principal, is proud to announce the class leaders of the middle compartment for the academic year 2021. Arunima as class prefect of grade 6A, Abhinav as assistant class prefect of 6A. From 6B, Kedari Shetty Sujita as a class prefect and Pranav as an assistant class prefect. From grade 6C, Hasani as a class prefect and Ashwin as the assistant class prefect. From grade 7A, Kyle Willie as a class prefect and Bryson Royce as the assistant class prefect. From grade 7B, Nasrin Nisha as a class prefect and Monish as the assistant class prefect. From grade 8A, Tanisha as a class prefect, and Ratul Krishna as the assistant class prefect. From grade 8B, Anushka as a class prefect and Nishant as the assistant class prefect.
I, A. Manoharan, Academic Coordinator of Secondary and Senior Secondary, proudly announces the class leaders. Grade 9th A, Class Prefect Temple Sri, Assistant Class Prefect Sai Karthik. Grade 9B, Kedari Shetty Pujita, Class Prefect Harish, Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 10th A, Praneshwaran, Class Prefect. Sendamid Arasi, Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 10th B, Lakshita, Class Prefect. And Kalayarasuke, Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 11A, Akash Kumar Gowda, Class Prefect. And Sanmukha Shivani, Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 11B, Monisha, Class Prefect. Sanjay K, Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 12A, Sneka, Class Prefect. And Vaibhav, Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 12th B, Sandhya, Class Prefect. And Saramana Kumar, Assistant Class Prefect.
Developing well-rounded personalities by demonstrating resilience and the determination to succeed. Equipping students with the skills and the academic success required to access new opportunities and to enhance their life chances. There stands our dynamic principal, Srimati Eileen Theophilus, who is constantly working for the betterment of the entire student community here in Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School. May we have some words of blessings from our dynamic principal, Srimati Eileen Theophilus, the most inspiring and aspiring leader. Over to you, ma'am.
A very happy morning to all the August gathering on this very special day, the 75th Independence Day on 15th August. It gives an immense pleasure and pride to say as an Indian and bestowing our young leaders. Most respected Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Dinakaran, DIGP, CRPF, and our beloved Mr. Alagasamy Kannan, correspondent, Sri Venkateswara Group of Schools, and our dear most Dr. Uma Kannan, the founder principal, Sri Venkateswara Group of Schools, and all other heads and teachers of Sri Venkateswara Group of Schools, and all my dear parents and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure and pride and privilege on this 75th Independence Day is also an investiture ceremony, taking the responsibility, and all our leaders are a role model for me. The sacrificial life that they have given for our country should be your role model today. The leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Our great leaders had great vision and they turned into reality. Young leaders, today you are bestowed as a leader of the school, Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya. You are all the privileged lot, elected members, teaching the democracy in the country. And you are taking a lead of your team, shouldering the responsibility with the principal and the school, and I am sure you all will be taking greater responsibility, and this pandemic should never stop you. You will always, your mission should be in the forefront for serving the humanity. The best is a role model. Leaders should always be a role model for others to follow, others to learn something from us. I'm sure all my young leaders will imbibe all the qualities that other team of all the children of Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya to follow. imbibe the character of perfectness, imbibe the character of obedience, humanity. All good values will definitely take you to a greater height. Empower yourself with all knowledge and empower yourself with the greater values. You will definitely lead not only a company, not only a family, not only a small school, but you will lead the country as such. And I'm sure all the students who are well educated tomorrow, acquire all knowledge, will definitely lead the great country like India. And you are the future pillars of our country. India is going to have a greater vision and greater achievements, and you are all going to show it. Young countrymen, go serve the country. Take the leadership, and our management is giving all training to our children year after year and producing a better citizen. And I wish you all the very best, and may God bless each and every one of you, give you all wisdom and knowledge and courage and all good health to prosper in your future. Jai Hind.
Our heartfelt thanks on behalf of Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School for joining us virtually to celebrate this moment of being together on this unforgettable Indian Independence Day ceremony. Now over to our sister concerned school, Sri Venkateswara Public School, Purel, for sharing the joy of hailing our young leaders.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. The reason behind my addressing with this quote is it's a remarkable day for the leaders of Sri Venkateswara Public School. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. As per the above said amazing quote, our Sri Venkateswara group of school is creating a greatest milestone, and now it has reached to Purel with the establishment of Sri Venkateswara Public School CBSE, designed uniquely with an aesthetic ambience. Here we have the passage we travelled, presented for your view by Mrs. Manimeghale ma'am.
The best way to predict your future is to create it. Education can be defined as the process of learning throughout one's life. It promotes mobilization of knowledge and contributes to one's knowledge. Success is a sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. This truth was proven by SVGS and registered its brand in Ambattur, Ayabakam and Purel region. Proudly, we declare these particular areas will shine and sparkle and will shining in the future because of the tireless effort of the management with the teaching fraternities and the unique approach on education. Here we have the newly sprouted fourth establishment SVPS, that is Sri Venkateswara Public School CBSE, is now stepping into the third year of their educational journey. This institution was started with 70 students in a fully air-conditioned classroom with various academic implementations like multiple intelligence, art-integrated learning, activity-based learning, experimental learning, skill-oriented learning, value-based education. With this collaborative learning, we have achieved nearly 370 admission in the next academic year. All of a sudden, the entire classrooms have been switched into a lot over the years. Chalkboards have been updated to whiteboards. Notebooks and textbooks have been replaced with laptops and iPods to overcome such a social issue. All we have transformed from offline to online mentors with the constructive mentoring of the management. We are traveling for about 1.5 years successfully. We have reached 570 as our strength with 25 teaching and non-teaching fraternities. We are serving in our school to educate our society and to make our students to become a complete 21st century learners. SVGS is keenly observing on shaping the knowledge of the children to be a future techno children.
Goosebumps moment. It was like a wow when we looked over the path traveled. Thank you, ma'am. The song is a very rich source of motivation. I now call upon the student of Sri Venkateshwara Public School to inspire the audience with a motivational song and carry it forward with a message to leave imprint of life you lead. Occupy the stage and inspire the audience. Vibrant song which taught us to love our country. Thank you, team. Dance is a divine art form that allows people to express a wide range of thoughts and emotions. Dance is considered to be the soul. Here we go with the twinkling stars to give feast to our eyes.
लाए 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 हमने मचाया शोर गूंजे सारे सारे अंबर में छलके हौसले समंदर से लाए 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 Can you hear our voices roar? There's a Ganga coming
team, that was an awe-inspiring performance. If your action create a legacy that inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more, then you are an excellent leader. Let's take a glimpse of the process we went ahead for the Senate elections. Over to you, Manimegli ma'am.
If you want to create leaders of tomorrow, there is no better time to develop our students as leaders than today. With belief and intent of the above quote, creating worthy future leaders, students of Sri Venkateswara Public School elected their student representative through a democratic system of Google Form virtual voting. The process begins with getting willingness form from the parents and students, carried forward next with a nomination form. Candidates express their promising words through a video being circulated among the students group. Voting was done by each and every child through a Google form. All teachers and students, everybody participated and they chose the eligible candidates, and the result was announced the very next day through a posters.
Thank you ma'am for briefly explaining step-by-step process of the election conducted.
Badge bestowal ceremony of the legendary SVPS. The power of choice is one of the greatest gifts bestowed upon man.
Do you pledge to take your place with the student council as the head and owe your dedication toward the transformative development of hand, head, heart and hope?
I promise by covenant to spend every moment with an urge to transform my hands, head and heart into devices of endless learning and hope for brighter evolution.
By the quality of dedicated leadership held inside me and by nature of being the principal of the school, I hereby establish you as the school prefect and assistant school prefect of Sri Venkateswara Public School CBSE.
The most phenomenal chief guest, Inspector General of CRPF, Mr. M. Dinakaran sir, is badging our SVPS school pupil leader Nino Suryadash and assistant school pupil leader Nina K.S. Adira.
I, Suryadash, the valiant Venkatite, hereby pledge to lead my fellow students with discipline and virtues that would uphold the honor of this noble institution, Sri Venkateswara Public School. The tradition and ethos of this established foundation shall always be endorsed in all the endeavors that I venture into. I solemnly vow to discharge my duties as the school people leader without prejudice and preferences, on par with the unity and integrity that this institution has vested on us.
I, Adira, the elected assistant school people leader of Sri Venkateswara Public School, pledge to work with determination and perseverance for our school and students' development. I shall inspire my fellow mates to be oriented, respectful, reliable and obedient in every aspect of life. I shall lead with compassion with a focus on team building that fosters innovative solutions with social perspectives.
Do you guarantee the vision of complete care of one's thought, word and action, thereby driving the prime motor of the school's foundation? We conform to the school's vision and endeavor to protect and act according to the proclamation of complete childhood care.
Yes, we do.
By exercising my right to govern the school with the motto of wholesome transformation, as the principal, I now aggregate sanction to the officially elected key stage leadership of the Student Council at Sri Venkateswara Public School CBSE.
Next comes our respectable correspondent sir, bestowing sports head boy Kapil Deep Singh.
I, Kapildeep Singh, the elected sports head boy of Sri Venkateshwara Public School, hereby pledge to uphold the sporting discipline in every venture of the student community. Team effort shall be integrated in all activities on and off the ground.
Here comes the founder principal ma'am of SVGS granting the badge to our sports head girl HS Yashika.
I, Yashika HS, the elected sports head girl of Sri Venkateshwara Public School, shall strive for presentation and perfection in all the student endeavours. Working as a team, we students shall focus on procuring laurels for our institution and at the same time strive for a totality in all our accomplishments.
Here comes SVPS well-wisher Mr. Murugesan sir conferring badge to Assembly Head Boy T. Ritish Kumar.
I, T. Ritish Kumar, the elected Assembly Head Boy of Sri Venkateshwara Public School, promise to set high and pragmatic goals for the development of each and every Venkatite. The responsibilities of our school belong to us, so we shall stand as a team to bring glory for our school.
Our immense gratitude to you, sir. Next on dais, we have the principal of SVPS, Mrs. Renuga ma'am, honoring Assembly Head Girl Garvita P. Vyas.
I, Garvita Vyas, the elected Assembly Head Girl of Sri Venkateshwara Public School, stand here as a leader, not just to lead you, but work hard with all my zeal, devotion and determination. I will try my best and work persistently for the excellence of our school.
Following by SVPS Middle Wing Academic Coordinator Mrs. Ramya, badging Cultural Head Boy KC Nitish.
KC Nitish, the elected cultural head boy of Sri Venkateshwara Public School, shall work on skill building in each and every individual in the campus. We shall convert every challenge into an opportunity and work on our strength that will help us face real life encounters with assurance and accountability.
Proceeding the same are SVPS KG and Pre-Primary Coordinator Mrs. Jamuna bestowing badge to Cultural Head Girl Sai Aarti.
Sayati, the elected cultural head girl of Sri Venkateshwara Public School, shall be inquisitively explorative in academics and beyond, shared dialogues, observation and interpretation, and expressive outputs shall be fostered in an avenue of artistic intellect that would be our strong domain.
Effective leaders lead by example with honesty, compassion, confidence, and intelligence. It's our pleasure to declare our SVPS prefects and assistant class prefect in SVGS investiture ceremony. LKG leader Vishwajit, assistant leader Kalaivani. UKGA leader Prithvin Vasan, assistant leader Tanshika. UKGB Deepak Darshan, assistant leader Udra Devi. Grade 1A leader Laya Mitra, assistant leader Kaushan. Grade 1B leader Arik Franklin, assistant leader Aradhana. Grade 2 Leader Ritish. Assistant Leader Devashri. Grade 3 Leader Manish Karthik. Assistant Leader Diya Sujit. Grade 4 Leader Palakshi. Assistant Leader Shanbreeze. Grade 5 Leader Rachita. Assistant Leader Nitilan. Grade 6 Leader Joshika. Assistant Leader Devdarsh. Grade 7 Leader Kevina. Assistant Leader Varunis. Grade 8 Leader Abhinav Upadhyay. Assistant Leader Kritika. Grade 9 Leader Yuvnesh. Assistant Leader Prerna. You are our leader. You show motherly love. Give fatherly confidence. Your endless care, guidance, and support prove that you are a great leader. Let's hear a few words from our energetic principal, Mrs. Renuga ma'am.
The leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. It's my glorious moment to take up this opportunity to invite the most phenomenal personalities of today's investiture ceremony, our chief guest, Inspector General Mr. M. Dinakaran sir, Sri Venkateshwara Group of School Correspondent Mr. Alagaswamy Kannan sir, Founder Principal ma'am, CEO ma'am, our sister concerned school principals, headmistress, academic coordinators, teachers, parents, and my dear beloved students. This investiture ceremony is a distinct and flashy. Distinct because it's a virtual. Flashy means as we move into a digital space to attain the qualities of leadership skills. This is nothing and innovative, but it shows the ability to be the resilient. When most of the people looking COVID period as a quite challenging, Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools found an opportunity to explore as many things. You are the product of Sri Venkateshwara Public School CBSE. You are made up of sterner stuff. You are resilient, responsible, and ready to take up new challenges. As you have the ability to turn troublesome situations into troubleshooting site to learn a new working atmosphere. Most of the people assume and believe that this leadership is a position. But my SVPS young leaders, you should take up leadership as a great leadership starts with self-leadership. The founder of Sri Venkateshwara Group of School, Dr. Uma Kannan, says that if you wanted to take up a leadership, you invest 40% of your time to shape, to sharpen yourself. Then only you can streamline your successes. So she has been the role model for this scenario. As a young leader, you have to take up 3 principles in your hands. First one is self-awareness. Leaders should make a checklist and what are the negativity and positivity you have, that you have to make a checklist. Look upon yourself, look at your personality, your character, your thoughts, everything to be checklisted. So out of that, delete your negativity and edit your positivity. Definitely you will be a very good leader in future. Second thing is self-reflection. All young leaders you have a list of activities what you are going to perform or address the today's day. That to be listed out. So the same day, the few minutes to be spent, what are the tasks have been accomplished by you, what not done. So this listing of your tasks will be helpful for you to be a very good problem solving skills. Third one, self-regulation, prioritize, planning, executions on time. So these are the very important 3 mantras to be taken by all my leaders. A leader goes the way, shows the way and does the way. An effective leader always be a role model and example with honesty, hope, happiness. Always the leaders and the effective leaders should show their passion, compassion and thoughts. An effective leader always be an example for others with honesty, hope, confidence, compassion, intelligence and humor. SVPS leader always should navigate a new qualitative leadership skills and you should be a best exemplar for the society. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am, for your vibrant speech.
कोशिश कर, हल ज़रूर निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल ज़रूर निकलेगा। कोशिश जारी रख, कुछ कर गुजरने की, कोशिशों से ही मुकाम हासिल किए जाते हैं। इसका जीवित उदाहरण है हमारे प्रिंसिपल एसवीवी मिसेस आइलिन थियोफिलिस मैम एंड प्रिंसिपल एसवीपीएस मिसेस रेणुका मैम। अब मैं आइलिन मैम और रेणुका मैम से अनुरोध करता हूँ कि वे हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्री एम दिनकरन सर का सत्कार करें। धन्यवाद सर एवं प्रिंसिपल मैम्स। हौसले की तरकश में कोशिश का वो तीर जिंदा रखो, हार जाओ चाहे जिंदगी में सब कुछ, मगर फिर से जीतने की उम्मीद जिंदा रखो। हमारे आज के चीफ गेस्ट श्री एम दिनकरन, डेप्यूटी इंस्पेक्टर जनरल सीआरपीएफ, इसी हौसले की मिसाल हैं। अब मैं हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्री दिनकरन सर से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वह अपने विचार हमारे समक्ष रखें और जिससे हमारे विद्यार्थी उत्साहित हो पाएं।
Good morning, principals, teachers, my dear students. First of all, I would like to thank Ms. Aileen, whom I know for the last so many years, principal of the Venkateshwara Kulan School authorities, for honoring me to be the chief guest in 15th ceremony of young future leaders. You know, when you are in the midst of students, you also become a student. You think of your old school day life. So you remind me of my school days. I don't know how far I did in my schools, but it's a good period. But this COVID pandemic has curtailed your happiness. We are so much of distance, and we long for social distance. We are already far away from everyone. You would not want to school for the past 1.5 years, and there's a study that the students are getting psychologically affected. The school life, the life where you can enjoy. Okay? When you go to the college, then you are into that cocoon. Maybe next year I should do this profession. It all comes. But school days are beautiful days. You don't have any worries except the school head girl. She wants to become IAS. Otherwise, usually school days are enjoyable days in a human being's life. Leaders, I don't know, they say leaders are born or leaders are made or leaders, they learn and become a leader. It's both. I would say leaders are born. Leaders are made. Leaders learn and they make themselves. Like in the case of Sri K. Kamaraj, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, he had a great vision, but formally didn't have any basic education. I think he studied in third standard, but he had a vision. He introduced midday meal scheme, asking everyone to come to school. That is a born leader. I would say he is a born leader. Though he didn't have any basic education, but he had a vision. So a leader should have a vision. A leader should have a following. How do you get the followers? A leader cannot demand respect. He has to earn respect. So children who are head boys and head girls, this is a training for you. You have to learn a lot from this, and then you can use it in your profession. Like for us to be commanding a unit where we have 1,500 people, we have to look after them, we have to look after the welfare, we have to get work from them. So it comes automatically. When you put ranks, it comes automatically. But for a leader, the leader has to be a role model. Somebody has to follow you, not that you just by putting the ranks, you say you should follow. If a leader walks in the front, then people will follow. If he is at the back, then they will not follow you. So leadership qualities you have to imbibe in your career. So I would thank the school authorities for giving me a chance to be this honor to gain leaders. I hope you all come up very well. You have to set your goal, do well in your studies, and earn what you want to. Thank you so much, Eileen and Sam, for giving me a chance. I wish you all the very best. God bless you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
सभी विद्यार्थियों में उमंग व उत्साह का संचार करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।
Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. I now request Mr. Yogesh Babu sir, HOD of PT department, to unwrap the gift of gratitude by your word of thanks.
If you want everyone else to be passionate, committed, dedicated and motivated, you go first. Yes, Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools always goes first. A pioneer in every field of education. We incubate leaders to lead by example and deed rather than with words. As the Physical Education Director of the group, it is with pride and privilege that I, Yogesh Babu, propose the vote of thanks for this Inverse Teacher Ceremony of the Student Senate of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School and Sri Venkateshwara Public School, Pudal. My foremost gratitude to the presiding guest, Sri Dinakaran, the Deputy Inspector General of Police, CRPF, whose presence has added more vigorous and stately decor to this virtual ceremony. Thank you for your concern to be with us today and bless our young leaders. No matter the situation, children need to be given their due opportunities. A management that always envisioned progressive learning in children with our leaders, our correspondent, Sri Alagarsami Kannan, our founder principal, Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan, and our young dynamic CEO, Mrs. Dhani Bharati, are the visionaries behind the grand execution of this virtual event. Leadership is never about the role, it is always about the goal. With the target of conducting this event with all safety precautions and protocol in place, the principal of both these schools have strived to provide the best convenience to to the participants. I thank Mrs. I. Theophilus, Principal of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya, and Mrs. Renuka, Principal of Sri Venkateshwara Public School, Pural, for their endless support and encouragement. My hearty thanks to the Vice Principal of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya, Mrs. Preeta Abraham, the academic coordinators, the teaching and non-teaching staffs of Sri Venkateshwara Vidyalaya and Sri Venkateshwara Public School, Pural, who have constantly been assuring and cheering us for more. Their aspirations are sky high, so we give them the wings to fly. My dear children, we have handed you the baton. Sprint ahead with fire in your dreams. My warm gratitude to our parents community, a million thanks for your trust you place in us and your backing for the safe conduction of this event. You have always been there for all our endeavors. My note of gratitude not draw the curtains down on this investiture ceremony, it rather raises our spirit of hope and dream, refreshing our minds to come together soon and work together for mutual progress. This Independence Day, let us all have the spirit of oneness and work in unity and integrity to add more glories to our motherland. Jai Hind.
A starting always has an end. Now we have reached the end of our today's gathering. It is the prime responsibility of every Venkatite to feel the real spirit of being a Venkatine. Let's raise up for the school anthem.